Hello everyone. So I welcome you all to my MTech ECE channel, and I am going to present the series of videos on antenna designing and a whole lot of videos where you can learn and more learn about your MTech courses and etc. So in this particular video, I am going to tell you about the implementation of antenna designing. Okay, so if you could remember my earlier videos, I have told you the basics of antenna and what are the various parameters which are required for antenna designing. What are the some specific parameters which are required for antenna designing. So in this particular video, the main essence of my whole lecture of series of CST is going to start. That is the basics of CST, computer simulation technology, and how you can download it. Okay, so let's get started. See, let me tell you first that there are whole lot of softwares available in our world. Okay, like IE3D, then CST, then Antenna Magnus, then ANSYS HFSS, and FACO. So these whole lot of softwares logo, which you are right now seeing in my desktop in your screen right now, is all about like how to design an antenna. Okay, so these softwares also plays a very crucial role in designing an antenna. And also the one question which I believe that you should all have in your mind is that why I am only using a CST, why not IE3D and ANSYS and HFSS. You know why? Because okay, let me tell you, this answer I will give while proceeding to my video. Okay, so let's just be patient and have a look to my video. So let's get started. Now, why specific softwares for antenna designing? Okay, so why you need some specific softwares for antenna designing? Okay, like there are a whole lot of more of softwares available है, because हमारे में बहुत सारे softwares available है, like IE3D हो गया, ANSYS हो गया, Antenna Magnus हो गया, FACO हो गया, and a lot more antennas, मतलब a lot more designing algorithms are available. ठीक है, तो why we are using a CST designing? So its first point is almost all the softwares gives the correct evaluation and deeper understanding of the antenna designing. Okay, यानी कि अगर हम किसी भी particular software से जो हम लोग को चाहिए, that is the basic antenna designing and correct evaluation. ठीक है, so all the softwares provide these, but only the correct evaluation are not important. But सिर्फ correct evaluation जो है वो important नहीं होता. Okay, it needs to find out the most appropriate and precise results, because along with the evaluations we need to evaluate the precise results which are important. Okay, like for various plots, like first of all, I have told my previous video that S parameters are important for that, then radiation pattern is important for that, so that while plotting for the various plot, the correct and the precise results are very important. And that's why CST and other softwares comes to picture. And this is my whole answer which I have told जब मैं start कर रही थी कि why I am only planning to start for CST, because I am only working in CST. And CST को कहा जाता है कि क्योंकि all the softwares जो है वो results appropriate देते हैं, but there are minute results which can affect the whole antenna designing, and that's why we use CST. So in my whole process of videos, I am going to tell you a series of lecture on only CST. I will recommend you to practice all and do all the antenna design on other softwares also. But at first, I will recommend you to please solve on CST first. Now, what do you mean by a computer simulation technology? So these are the logo of CST. Right now, you can see in my screen. And this is the earlier logo of CST, computer simulation technology, and it is a current logo. And I will let you to download only this CST only. Okay, so CST Studio Suite is a high performance 3D EM analysis software package. So it is a kind of software package, and EM here stands for electromagnetic. So whatever the electromagnetic analyzing, designing and optimizing the EM components and system, CST helps for that. CST एक computational electromagnetic tool है which was developed by a Dassault System Simula. Since you are ready to start for CST, I expect that you should know the basics of CST, and that's why I have although ये सब मैंने पूरा structure किया है. Electromagnetic and CST provides a solver for that, like the electromagnetic field solver for application across the EM spectrum, and they are contained within a single user interface. Like CST has a single user interface through which you can design, you can simulate, and you can run, and you can get your results too. The solvers can also be coupled to perform a hybrid simulations. Here, hybrid stands for two or three multiple simulations. So, with the help of CST students, you can also design the hybrid simulations. You can discover more and more antenna designing, like from a basic to, I think, like various advanced levels. So these are the basic things which which are the various properties of CST. Like it has a solver in that, data exchange option. It provides a student edition, like it also has a variety of downloadable files from where you can learn CST somewhat basics, and also you can have a downloadable file, and also you can use for your projects. Then it provides the optimization graphs, then EM system, and it provides a user interface. And the most important, how to download CST. Okay, so there is a very easy thing to download it. You have to just copy and paste the below link on your browser, and you can download your executable file. And okay, this is the link, that is a particular site, igetintoatopic.com, where you can download your CST 2019. I recommend you all who want to learn CST, please download this file, because it's very very important and it's very easy. You just have to click on that, you just have to download it for that. And in my next series of videos, I would let you know to because CST को इंस्टॉल करने का स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस होता है, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट कि जब आप क्लिक करोगे एंड line by line install आएगा and that it will get just installed. No. So in my next series of video, which would be uploading soon in 2-3 days, we are working on that. And in that particular video, I would be providing you the step by step of installing CST, and that will be give you a very brief about it, and you can easily download and install and work on your CST. So that's all my video. Please save this link, and thank you very much for being patient. And that's all for my video. In the next video, I would be going to explain you the step by step installation of CST. And please post your questions in my comment box. And thank you very much guys for your all the likes and all the sharing. So I also please urges you, and also please मैं ये मतलब गुजारिश करती हूँ कि प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियोस को शेयर करें, and so that those needies should really get the help, like students or maybe in BTech or bachelors or in post graduation or even PhD, so that कि अगर मेरी कुछ भी मैं कर पाऊँ help, so it would be beneficial for them. So thank you very much, and thank you.